In this video, I'm going to show you how you can attach a file on messages in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So I'd like to compose here a message and attach a file. And here's the message. Please find the attached. So to attach a file to this message, just click on this option here, add a file, and you have to choose where you want to get your file from. You can get it from your computer, Dropbox, OneDrive, even Google Drive. So mine is on my computer, so I'll click on upload file and this will take me to my computer. I'll then go ahead and choose the file and click on open, and the file will be uploaded. Now once it has been uploaded, I can now send it, and now this message has a file and you can see it here. So that's how you can send a message with a file in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.